In this video, I will show you how to install the Copilot app. After the Surface event and MS Build 2024, Microsoft released the preview of Windows 11 version 23H2. The new feature in this build is the Copilot app, which is a web app. It has a similar interface to the ChatGPT app on Mac OS. Microsoft announced that the new ChatGPT 4 model, natural voice conversation, and vision capability will be coming to Windows 11. The Copilot app will assist with tasks such as playing games and coding. It can also be installed on Windows 10 with the build version 19041 with Microsoft Edge installed. Before starting a video, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tech news and tutorials. So let's get started. Go ahead to your browser, copy and paste the link given in the description to download the Copilot app. Next, after downloading zip file, open it and extract all contents in the particular destination. Open the extracted folder and delete those two files. After that, press Start menu and search Use Developer Features. Now open it. Here, enable the developer mode toggle. This will allow you to sideload the Copilot app. Following that, open extracted folder and right click on anywhere in the folder to open the context menu. Now press Ctrl and Shift together on the keyboard and click on the Open in Terminal. This will open the terminal with admin privilege in the same folder. Finally, run the command given in the description and Copilot app will install on your PC. Do not delete the folder if you want to continue using the app. Open the Start menu and the new Copilot app will appear. You can also pin it to the taskbar. It's fully functional and you can start chatting with Copilot without any issues. That's it for this tutorial on how to download and install Copilot app on Windows 11 or 10. Remember, Copilot is no longer preview and we have exciting features to look forward to like GPT-4 model, natural voice conversation mode and screen sharing capability. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And also click on the bell icon so you'll never miss on our latest update. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.